What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a Diet Coke versus regular Coke Mentos experiment. See which one goes the highest. First, we're going to be doing a regular Coke. Let me open this real quick. I'm going to be using this kind of tip. Okay, so to open this. Oh. Then we're going to just screw this on tightly. Okay, push this in. Must do the undoable. I guess this is good. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so anymore. Okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know what was happening. 1, 2, 3, get that, guys, 4. Off the juice! Holy moly! Jesus, I don't even know what just happened anymore. It entered my bag. How about you do it again? Next, we're gonna be doing Diet Coke. Oh, it's so cold. It was so cold. I felt the air. Okay. Just got to close it on tightly. Oh. Okay. All the way. So soft, because from the last one they got a little wet. First one, I want to eat it. Cap. Another deadly explosion we're about to witness. Oh God!
Ah!
I messed up! I messed up! This is not fair! I messed up! Thanks for watching my channel. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!